guys, it's Sunday morning in the kitchen and I am your girl Norleen, and today I will be doing another of Jamaica's finest cuisine. Now you might be wondering what I'm cooking today, but this idea came because of my daughter's experience. She called me a few weeks ago and asked me how to prepare brown stew fish. I told her the recipe and I did a video just so that she can remember how to do it. After completing her dish, she sent me a video and she was so excited. Her meal had turned out perfectly. And so she said to me, "Mommy, my next task is to do oxtail." And so my lovely daughter Danielle, this video is for you. I will be doing oxtail Jamaican style. I encourage you to like my video. Give me a thumbs up, guys. Encourage me. I want you to share my video with all your friends. Encourage them to follow the link and subscribe to my channel. I encourage you to leave a comment in the section below. Share your thoughts about this video or ask me to prepare other Jamaican meals. I implore you to walk boldly and confidently in your mother's shoe. Oxtail, it has been cleaned and washed and drained. To that I will add the powder season. I have jerk season. It's a teaspoon of jerk season, 2 tablespoons of blended season. I have all-purpose garlic salt, black pepper, and Maggi all-purpose. I have ginger root, thyme, some allspice, and of course garlic. The garlic peg, I let them remain whole because I will pressure it. I'm not going to cook it on the stove top. I'm going to pressure it, and when it pressure, I can get all the flavor from the that garlic. I've added 2 tablespoons of browning and seasoned sauce. This is just to add brown flavor or brown color to the season, and I'm going to rub it in, rub in the season, and I will leave this for just about 20 minutes, half an hour the most. But I'm not gonna cook this today, so. Hey people, so it's oxtail, and I have here the carrots already prepared, the bell pepper, tomatoes, good old scotch bonnet pepper. I have the garlic and the onions already cut up, and thyme. And of course it has been cleaned and seasoned. Boy, this nice and seasoned, good enough. This season from about 4 days now. So this is well seasoned, well marinated. See the thing look? Nice and good. And of course, we have a buttered bean over there, so just a chill and a hint time yet. So let's get this show started, people. Have in the pot the oxtail. I'm just gonna basically fry coat the outer side for just a few minutes. This is really to enhance the flavor of the oxtail. Them on both sides. Just quickly turn them over and you're good to go. So guys, that's what the oxtail looks like. Like I said, I'm just browning it quickly on both sides, just to really enhance the flavor of the. And if you notice some little nice grill looking thing down at the bottom, yeah, that you want, because of that will make your oxtail have good flavor in it. So I'm gonna add the rest of the season. This is just the juices that and season from seasoning the meat, and that's a cup of water I've added to it. So I'm gonna add a half more cup of water just to ensure that I cover all the meat. In that, you see some good old ginger root and the garlic, and it will just melt away and the flavor will get into the meat. Sorry. So We have a cup and a half. I think I'm gonna add a half more cup of water to that. That make it 2. I'm gonna add 2 cups of water and then cover it to pressure for about 15 to 20 minutes. I don't want it to be too soft, but I want my oxtail to be nice and tender. So the oxtail is naturally fatty. I've removed about half cup of oil from the top of the oxtail sauce, and so I'm gonna add to that the onions, carrot, all my vegetable. To boss up the oxtail, I've added 2 tablespoons of ketchup, some black pepper, garlic salt, and a little bit of all-purpose, Maggi all-purpose. I'm just going to stir this in nice. See that, people? Yo, this is a thing, yeah, the boss. I'm going to stir it in. Lower the flame. Why, tomato, them nice. Why, everything in the pot just nice. I'm going to lower the flame, guys, to medium heat and just allow this to simmer. The scotch bonnet, hey, I didn't use the core of the scotch bonnet, that's a seed part. So it's not too spicy. If you like spicy, you can add a couple of the pepper seed a minute, but it's up to you guys, really. I always tell you, it depends on your spice tolerance. You can add as much pepper as you like, but see then now the gravy, you see it change, the gravy change. It start my gravy already. So I nearly forget butter bean, yo. I throw off the water there off my butter bean. You know, it has a lot of preservative in it. So just I get rid of it. Add my butter bean. See there. You know, so I'm going to give it another 10 minutes. See butter bean then settle in another thing. And then absorb some of the flavor. So I'll give it the next 10 minutes. Now we had some more time on it. It's a lucky thing, say. The thing never pressure too soft, you see? The pressure just right, so I'm going to give it another 10 minutes. I'm going to give it another 10 minutes so that the flavor will be incorporated in the bean. Oh, mash some of the bean them still, so I can add like a thickness for my gravy. You notice I didn't put any flour, I don't put any cornstarch in it to get my gravy nice and thick. So I'm just going to mash out. I'm just going to mash a few of the butter beans so that it add texture to the oxtail sauce. You see that? So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. It is oxtail with rice and peas with California blend vegetable. It is another of my mother's recipe from my pot onto my daughter's table. Danielle, I know you will try this recipe. Enjoy.